How to log in into Amazon Prime Video account. First of all, you have to open up your browser in your mobile device. Here in the search bar, simply search for Amazon Prime Video. And head over to the first link, that is www.primevideo.com. Once you're here, tap on this account icon at the top right, then tap on sign in. Then you will be taken into the sign in page. Here, first of all, you have to input your email or phone number associated with your Amazon Prime account. Then tap on continue. Again, input your phone password associated with your Amazon Prime account. Once on, tap on sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.